Hi friends, I'm Vignesh and you're watching Vixel Logics. In this video, I will be sharing you some information about what is a Turing machine, how it came into existence, how it is present in existence, and how it will be in existence in the near future, or should I say in all future. Now, let us get into the topic. What is actually a Turing machine? Turing machine is a machine of thought, a very general idea that describes in a simplest way of capturing how any possible algorithm, a program, or a machine works. The Turing machine came into existence from the minds of Alan Turing. Yeah, this guy. Alan Turing, a mathematician, a codebreaker, and the father of modern computers. Turing's paper describes how any logical process could be broken down into simplest possible components, precise sequential steps that could in principle be carried out by a machine. He gave this as an answer to a profound and an abstruse problem in the foundation of mathematical logics, the Hilbert's-Einstein problem. Yeah, that's the name of that problem. Posted by David Hilbert, a German mathematician. He asked, was mathematics desirable? Did there exist a definite method which could, in principle, be applied to any assertion which was guaranteed to produce a correct decision to whether that assertion was true? And the answer was the Turing machine. This is how the Turing machine came into existence. Now, let us see how the Turing machine is present in existence in the present. So, now consider an infinite tape with zeros and ones. It points, the Turing machine points to a particular square and changes the 0 or 1 if required and move right or left or remain stationary as per some instructions. After many iterations, at last reach a final state, an accepting state with the code on the tape of zeros and ones as the answer. This became the essence of computation and how today's computers and machines work. The computers does the same way of manipulating the data of zeros and ones and work to get the final result. Whatever any computer can do, it could very be done by a Turing machine. Thus, the Turing machine became the blueprint for all modern computers that do what the Turing machine do. This is how the Turing machine came into existence. And now let us see how the Turing machine will be in existence in the future. Actually, Alan Turing's idea, didn't just stop in the technical field of mathematics. His vision was much larger than that. His, he was driven by the question, what is a mental process? What our brains do when we are thinking? So he wrote a paper on this mental process in 1935 to 1936. His argument was that any mental process would ever assume that the brain works in a definite way as it must do in a mechanical basis, right? Then it must be done. It must be something which could be simulated by a Turing machine. He had a way of formulating what any possible mental process must be. And now, this thought of how any mental process can be simulated by a machine and formulating the possible mental process and thoughts like that became much larger and larger, and now the base for artificial intelligence. And this is how the Turing machine will be in all future. And yeah, this Turing machine is now in all time, the present, the past, and the future. So yeah, that's the end of this session. We have seen how this Turing machine is present in all time, and in the next session we'll be seeing in depth about how the Turing machine actually works and how to design a Turing machine for a particular problem statement. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments below. I will be there to answer you. See you in the next video. Bye for now.